Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to Learning with Abi and Ummi. Today we are going to learn some new Arabic vocabulary by looking at a short story. Learning through stories is a great way to see how words are used in context. Our story for today is called Waqtul Ghada, which means lunchtime. First, I will read the story in Arabic. Listen carefully to the pronunciation. جاء وقت الغداء. ذهب أحمد إلى المطعم. طلب طعاما لذيذا. جلس على الكرسي. أكل بهدوء واستمتاع. Now, let's read it again, sentence by sentence with the English translation. جاء وقت الغداء, meaning lunchtime had arrived. Let's look at the words in this sentence. جاء means he came or he arrived. It's in the past tense. The basic form is جاء and the present tense is يجيء. جاء, he came. يجيء, he comes. وقت means time. وقت, time. الغداء means lunch. غداء, lunch. Together, these three words create the meaning the time of lunch arrived, or simply lunchtime had arrived. Sentence 2. ذهب أحمد إلى المطعم, meaning Ahmad went to the restaurant. Let's break down the words. ذهب means he went. The basic past tense form is ذهب, he went, and the present tense is يذهب, he goes. Ahmad, this is a proper noun, a male name. Ahmad. Ila, this is preposition, meaning to. Al-mat'am means the restaurant or dining room. Mat'amun, restaurant. So, ذهب أحمد إلى المطعم means Ahmad went to the restaurant. Sentence 3. طلب طعاما لذيذا, meaning he ordered a delicious meal. Let's look at the words. طلب means he ordered. The basic past tense form is طلب, and the present tense is يطلب. طعام means food or meal. طعام, food or meal. لذيذ means delicious. This is an adjective. In the sentence لذيذا, describing a meal. So, طلب طعاما لذيذا means he ordered a delicious meal. Sentence 4. جلس على الكرسي, meaning he sat on the chair. Jalasa means he sat. The basic past tense form is jalasa. The present tense is yajlisu. Ala is a preposition meaning on. Kursi means chair. Kursiyun, chair. So, jalasa ala al-kursi means he sat on the chair. Let's look at the final sentence. Akala bihudu'in wastimta', meaning he ate calmly and with enjoyment. Akala means he ate. It is in the past tense. The basic past tense form is akala and the present tense is ya'kulu. Be is preposition meaning with or in. Here, it indicates the manner of eating. Hudu means calmness or quietness. With the preposition be before it means calmly or with calmness. Wa is a conjunction means and. Istimta' means enjoyment. Hudu'un, calmness or quietness. Istimta', enjoyment. So, akala bihudu'in wastimta' means he ate with calmness and with enjoyment, or simply he ate calmly and with enjoyment. Excellent. Let's quickly review the story. جاء وقت الغداء. Lunchtime had arrived. ذهب أحمد إلى المطعم. Ahmad went to the restaurant. طلب طعاما لذيذا. He ordered a delicious meal. جلس على الكرسي. He sat on the chair. أكل بهدوء واستمتاع. He ate calmly and with enjoyment. We learned several useful words today. وقت, time. غداء, lunch. مطعم, restaurant. طعام, food. لذيذ, delicious. هدوء, calmness. استمتاع, enjoyment. جاء يجيء, come or arrive. ذهب يذهب, go. طلب يطلب, demand or order. جلس يجلس, sit. أكل يأكل, eat. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try writing these sentences down and using the new words in your own sentences. Example: هذا اللحم لذيذ, which means this meat is delicious. Practice these words daily. Try writing your own sentences. Until next time, مع السلامة والسلام عليكم.